the mega dance master and RK, Ravi Umagoni, Srinivas Gaddam, the guy who created this atmosphere. The park arrangements are excellent. Srinivas Gaddam, my brother, come over here, please. Oh, Anna. So we will, just token of appreciation for our today's judge, anchor and singer, my friend Janardhan. Swati, Gaurav Elpenda. Sridhar Gauravalli garu, please come. Thank you. Sumana Ainavolu, wife of Satyam Badam. Narendra Metku, please come, Anna. Yeah, if anybody, if you forget, excuse me for, but please come on to the stage. This music continues for some time. Please come on to the dais.
వరదల్లే ఇలపైకి దిగి వచ్చే సింగారంగా రంగల్లే విరిజల్లే వరమల్లే ఎదలోకే ఎదురొచ్చే వైభోగంగా గంగల్లే ఓ ఓ ఓ రంగులన్నీ చల్లుకుందామా ఈ పండుగ రోజు చెంగుమంటూ చిందులేద్దామా.
అండ్ స్వాతి జలగం కూడా. జనార్దన్ అందరూ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా క్లాప్స్. కళ్ళల్లో స్వప్నాలే కదిలొచ్చే ఈ రోజు గుండెల్లో స్వర్గాలే కబురిచ్చే ఈ రోజు.
Everybody came. It seems like it's not a region event. It's like a whole India event. I know it is Florida Telangana Association, but it seems like the whole country was came. I saw that a lot of people, they were talking Tamil, Kannada and Patel, Gujarati and all that. So thank you, Anna, for creating this platform and making everybody happy.
Yeah. మా టీం ఎంత చక్కగా ఈ సాయంకాలము ఈ ఎంటైర్ హోలీ సెలబ్రేషన్స్ ఆఫ్ 2017 ఫస్ట్ టైం తెలంగాణ అసోసియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోరిడా తరపున టాంపా ఫ్లోరిడాలో చాలా కలర్ఫుల్గా జరుపుకున్నాము. ఎన్నో రకాల నార్త్ ఈస్ట్ వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ద ఫ్రెండ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్యామిలీస్ జాయిన్డ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ ద ఇండియన్ యునైటెడ్ వి సే colorful life we had. So we all celebrated a wonderful day in Tampa, Florida. And thank you all my committee friends. And one last thing, there are a lot of mess in the parking lot, just the packets and the water bottles. All the volunteers, please join us, and all the families and the parents and the kids. If you see a bottle or a packet, please put it in a trash next to you. There is one trash bag under the tree next to the food court. Please clean up. Kindly help us to keep this place clean. This is a temple premises. We want to thank you, Ayyappa Society, the management, to allowing us to celebrate a wonderful day, colorful day. And we cannot thank enough the community to cooperation. And next event is our Festival of Flowers. We celebrate somewhere the heart of the Tampa Bay in downtown. That's what the motivation of our entire committee is. We will show what is the Festival of Flowers is all about. We just shared what is Festival of Colors celebrated by Telangana Association of Florida. I thank you, Swati, to give a wonderful diversified cultural programs. A big thank you to Swati. Last 2 months she is working with the parents, the teachers. We can't thank enough. And you saw a wide variety of all the national Indian community and the North American community enjoyed these performances. And thank you, Swati. And the colors, Lakshmi Garu, everybody enjoyed the colors. And thank you for the smiles they have shared with us. And the first and foremost thing, this park facility, Gaddam Srinivas, for the wonderful arrangements. Gaddam Bhai, thank you. And the rest of the committee, we have done to bring the community together to organize this event very successful. And thank you everybody, the sponsors, the families, the members. We getting more and more members. We thank you them. Please let your friends to join our Telangana Association of Florida. And Rajendra and membership committee, Anil Bandaram garu, is taken so much of time to put together what this organization do going forward. There are memberships and we have done exceptionally good this event. And also Avinash garu, Sridhar Gaulari garu making the parking arrangements, coordination. Nobody complained, single complaint today. So this is what we need. We need your cooperation. All the leadership, please come forward, join us to give a better event for our own kids to, give them the future, the culture, the heritage of our own. So thank you so much. And all the audio, video, my friends, Narendra, Jeevan Nomula, Abhilash, Shravan Saidgari, Chandu Tala, we all, tried to give a best music, and I know the system is excellent, everybody said. In this open land, it is very tough to give output. So we thank all of my friends. And if I miss anybody, Rajendra, thank you for, coming forward. Abhilash, Avinash bhai, he is the instrumental, the vice president of the organization. I thank you, Avinash bhai, and anybody wants to share their thoughts and happiness. This is a colorful day. Please come forward from the community.
ఒకటి అందరూ he told about everyone, but he's the backbone. Chandu Tala, give him a big hand. Without him, this is not possible at all. He has taken the initiative and he has bring the association so much, and that we started taking more and festivals like this Holi, and we will with your encouragement we will take more going forward. Thank you Chandu Anna. ఒకసారి అందరు గట్టిగా చాందు. ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఇప్పుడు అందరం కలిసి ఒకసారి క్లీనప్ చేసుకుందాం. మన ఫోటోగ్రాఫర్ సురేష్ బొజ్జా గారు ఎక్కడికైనా వస్తారు, మా ఖతర్నాక్ ఫోటోలు తీస్తారు. మంచిగా లేని వాళ్ళని మంచిగా చూపిస్తారు, ఇంకా మంచిగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ఇంకా చాలా బాగా చూపిస్తారు. సార్
హోలీ హోలీ రంగోలి పాడుకుందాం, కేళి కేళి కవ్వాలి,
ఆడుకుందాం హోలీ హోలీ రంగోలి, పాడుకుందాం కేళి కేళి కవ్వాలి.
వరిదిల్లే వరదల్లే ఇనపైకి దిగి వచ్చే సింగారంగా రంగల్లే, గిరిజల్లే వరమల్లే ఎదలోకి ఎదురొచ్చే వైభోగంగా గంగల్లే. నీలో నాలో ఆశల రంగే ఆకుల పచ్చంట,
నీడే నలుపంట నీడే పసుపంట, లోలో దాగే ఊహల పొంగే ఊదారంగంట.
లోకల్లో వర్ణాలన్నీ కలిసున్నాయి మనలో, ఏకంగా కదలాలో.
శోకాలే సంతోషాలే కొలువుంటాయి మదిలో,
రంగుదే 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 రంగులన్నీ చల్లుకుంటామా ఈ పండుగ రోజు.